对，对，来直着也来。名字拍我，客人就是要看的。100 ，OK，
1米呀，
非常好，very good。And now we have make the 1 meter the drop test. So now we from the 6th corner and test how it's broken or not. So now it's the 1 meter. And now it's try for the 6th side. This is packaging. Make sure it's broken or not. Okay, test for the corner.
边都摔了哈。
边还没摔。
So 6th side for the corner. This we test in the factory. Make sure it's no broken.
这一边一个角，一个面，要不要再摔？
So now we have open the box and to check it's broken inside or not. So we have the polyfoam on the top and also the other side of the polyfoam. Okay, now we have the opening to see. Okay. Now we open inside to check it's broken or not. Okay, check the details, especially for the shop, the prop here, this shop. Okay, so far, we didn't find any broken, especially for the shop place. So we think the packaging is perfect enough. This is our improved packaging, especially to be add for some the bottom the polyfoam, and also to add some the top the polyfoam. So we make the 6th side. Make sure it's the 6th for the 4th side with the polyfoam. So we're happy for this improvement, and we try our best to cooperate with the customer to improve any packaging and make sure it's can be long term the transportation and no breakage. Okay, that's